How y'all doing? We're building a expansive one today. We'll need to give Jonah. He'll probably want to video this one.
This will run more Thunder, I think. But yeah, guys, this is a customer's custom PC, and we're going to be building inside the High Y40. We got the 13900F, which we haven't used before, but I would imagine just the non-K version, and just has no integrated graphics, so you save a little bit of money there. Motherboard is an ASRock Z790 Pro RS Wi-Fi. The box has been through it, but we're thinking the motherboard is good to go. RAM-wise, we got Corsair Vengeance, 32 gigs, DDR5 memory. We also have two 2TB Gen 4 NVMe SSDs for redundancy. The 4090, which is hiding over there. And a tough GF A3 1200 power supply, and that CPU is being cooled by a Kraken AIO. This looks like it's a no RGB build, which is weird for us.
Yeah, I was gonna say this is gonna be an interesting one because we have all black NZXT fans with like a liquid cooler and everything, but we do have RGB RAM. The cooler is a little bit RGB, and then the graphics card is a little bit RGB.
We got a little RGB, but mainly all black design, which is gonna be pretty cool.
Time's getting really hot. Don't want you guys to get dehydrated.
Thank you for the hydrate. I appreciate it.
Alright, I got you.
It's got to hydrate for us. But can it play beam battles? I don't know if it'll play beam battles, to be honest. Beam battles is a very demanding game. Now, this is a build that takes up our entire desk space. What's up, guys?
When are you gonna start streaming?
No idea.
Always a good idea to start practicing.
I know, the younger, because Matt and I didn't really start, well, we started YouTube probably around your age, or a little bit younger, but we didn't start the Toasty Bros until 2014, so how old would we have been? We would have been 14, 15? No.
No, we were like...
No. We're old.
We were like 16.
We would have been 16 when we started Toasty Bros. And if we had started a little earlier, that silver play button would be a gold play button, I'm telling you. No, we're at 550?
548.
548.
550.
Yeah, we can round up.
550.
Yeah, 550.
James is Jonah's kid, yes.
There's two people who have said that now. Well, and so everybody always jokes around and says that Jonah is Matt and Guy's kid, which I could kind of see it. I don't know. I don't really know what would happen if
I would be very disappointed if he was my child.
Matt and Jackson. Like looks-wise or personality-wise? Or both?
He'd be banned from the computer if he was my kid. He can't be trusted on the internet.
Oh my god, yeah, dude, I can't. Yeah.
I'd be banning him. He'd be getting that internet time off switch.
It had a little puncture in the box, guys, but it didn't reach the board. Don't worry.
We're getting Temu now. We did Temu keyboard roundup yesterday. We have a Temu versus Wish setup today, and then tomorrow we're unboxing more Temu stuff. So the Temu is all building up.
500,000 loyal fans or 1 million subs. Ooh, that's like a would you rather?
Well, I mean, I feel like even out of our 500,000 subscribers, there's like a small fraction.
20K.
Yeah, there's a small fraction of people who watch. So I would definitely go for 500,000 loyal fans. Heck yeah.
Because 1 million, there's a lot of people out there who have like 1 million subs, but are literally like dead channels at this point.
Yeah. It's all about having consistent viewers and also making content that YouTube wants to push. Subs is a cool analytic because brands will look at it and be like, oh, that's an established channel. But beyond that, like, there's some channels with lesser subs that could get like crazy views if we make the right videos. That's the #1 SEO spot for Temu. That's what we're doing. We're making moves with Temu.
I'm waiting for like I feel like Temu is gonna be one of those like things where I think it's gonna be fine, but I could see it being like one of those sites that just randomly goes down one day, and then there's all these like YouTube documentaries.
Oh yeah,
like,
there's gonna be something like Temu. What happened to it?
Yeah, I mean, all things considered, this is actually a really cheap 4090 and 13900K build. Because I know for when we first did one of these, and I think it was probably a 12900 4090. I think we were closer to $5 grand. And this one, like I said, it's I think a little over 3,500. So it's actually much better price.
See, that's a good point there, Lemon Girl Jams. If you were like a Twitch streamer and you had 500,000 loyal fans that all subbed you, that's $2.5 million a month.
You're recommend a 4090 or a 7900 XTX?
4090.
4090 is definitely the better GPU.
The 7900 XTX is like it's really dope. Like it's a good, I mean, it's way better than anything like Matt and I have, but in terms of streaming, with NVIDIA, especially newer NVIDIA cards, you get this thing called NVENC, and it's basically just like an encoder that helps with streaming, and it helps immensely.
If you have 4090 money, just get the 4090, don't worry.
Pretty much. I mean, because how much is the 7900 XTX right now?
They're cheap, though. They're down to like, yeah, there are a couple out there that are around 8 something, which is a good price, but it does compete more with a 4080 than it does a 4090, so. Like if you're talking like 4080 or that card, then yeah, maybe go that.
4090 is still $1,600, so we're talking almost half the. I mean, I don't know.
Yeah.
At that point, that is a tough one. Like, if you're gaming mainly with a little bit of streaming, I probably would say get the AMD card. But if you're like, if your main thing is streaming, then yeah, go Go all out.
Y'all look like a boy pop group. Yes.
What would our band name be, chat?
Boys to toast. Toast. Oh, no, bread to toast.
Ooh, bread to toast. I like that. The Buttered Boys.
The buttered boys.
That sounds like we're ugly, actually. The Buttered Bros.
Does anyone say that anymore? That's like an old saying.
Oh, I forget. Yeah, bro. She's buttered.
She's buttered.
That's gonna be one of those ones that when we're older,
We're gonna say it.
there's gonna be kids saying it, and they'll be like, bro, like that's such a cool, and we'll just be like, dude, that was ours.
Joe give away the other PC. If you're talking about the PC giveaway, the Intel Arc PC, no, that stream is tomorrow.
Oh, Jay Dorsey just got out of a meeting. Did you guys shrink
Uh-oh.
Jonah?
Yes, we did. We shrunk him.
So are you convinced yet that Jonah kind of looks like you?
Yeah.
But now that that many people
All I gotta
said it,
say is just don't grow up like Jonah.
yeah, you don't want to be like him. Now this a lot of the like not super duper high end, like really nice boards will have like heat sinks over all this, but really kind of mid range boards will usually just do the top slot. These really don't need one, honestly. And this actually is a heat sink. This little, it's called a graphene. Here is our intern. He doesn't get to work, but he watches us do work. Well, you know, so I was saying any other build we would let him do, which we have before, I mean, any other time, but sadly this one we have to get done today, and it's like a custom that's already for a customer, and it's also very high-end, so I'm like, it'd be kind of awkward for that customer to be watching, expecting like the PCBros to be building it, and then they're like, wait, who's this
Found
guy?
a fan.
We need, you know what would be awesome for us to one day do? Maybe we can have like Jonah, or like if we ever hire new PCBros guys to go through our fans and get all of them matching.
Ready. No sleep cables or anything. This is a simple high-end build.
It does seem like they wanted to get the best like performance for as cheap as possible.
I love to see it. Oh, now we got it in Jedi for mod. Guys, stop.
Doesn't Jenna doesn't even come to streams anymore. He's
Yeah,
got a girl
He's a
now.
girl now. He doesn't even care.
It's crazy how quick a homie can switch up on you.
Jedi has a bot just say I am here whenever he is. Oh, that's true. Yeah, whenever he's not here, it just spams random messages.
That would make sense why he like some of the answers we get from him. I'm like, this is bot like.
All right, let's see what this 4090 looks like in here.
I haven't measured myself like in a long time. Actually, I've never even measured myself when I'm thinking about it. I mean, I go to the doctor, so they'll give me a height. 4'11". I'm 5'7", I'm a short guy. Hey, 5'7" is like, I think, isn't like 5'10" or 5'9" the average in the US for guys? Yeah, it's kind of like, yeah, it kind of is like an infinity design. I said that as a joke earlier, but I'm like, that really is what it does. It has mirrors.
The stealthy 4090 piece.
Definitely hang on to this box for a
Yes.
little bit.
Never know
Oh,
what's
we
going
don't
on.
have a 4090 box over here.
Add to the collection.
Too much.
Ah, J-Sam. Thank you for
Oh
20
my gosh.
gifted subs. Jesus.
20?
Wow.
Hi, J-Sam. It's
Wow,
been
you
a
need to
while.
step up. No,
J-Sam,
I'm
it's been a
I'm
while.
still number
Thank
two.
you.
What GP do we use the most? So for a long time with the RX 580, we used to use that like, I mean, every day in a build we did. 1650s we've used a lot of, 1060s. So we want, since James is here, when Jonah or McAllister gets here, Matt and I should go out that door and just have James on set. So when they walk in, they're just like, what?
I'll let you know when they pull up.
You bet.
No, really throw
Yeah,
up.
what if he pull?
He's about to walk up. He's not
Alright,
out.
let's go.
Get out of here. Alright, chat, you know what to do.
How much is this PC? It is $3,700.
What's
What's up, Jonah?
Not much.
They're saying I look like you.
Huh?
They're saying I look like you.
Yeah. You can't. That's the hair. Yo. This is a cool PC this morning. Nice. Where'd everyone go? Oh, hey, Def. What's up? Let me go find him.
So all morning, Jonah, everybody's been saying that we shrunk Jonah.
Yeah.
We're raiding them. We're gonna be live
Yeah, I know.
tomorrow, guys, for the 6-hour live stream. We're giving
Oh,
away
God.
gaming PC.
You won't see me.
Yep,
for a week and a half.
Jonah will be there. Oh wait, you're not gonna be here tomorrow at all.
No, I won't. I'll be
All
gone
right,
for a
guys.
week, guys.
Well, say your goodbyes to Jonah.
Bye,
See you
everyone.
all later.
See ya.
Peace out.